Light therapy sessions can be expensive, and many home systems cost hundreds or even thousands of dollars. In this video, I'll be going over how I built my own light kit for home use and how you can too. But before we get into the setup I built, I would like to take a quick tour of some of the light therapy kits currently on the market so you can see what's available and what people are paying for. Now, every system is different. Some are designed for full body use, some are smaller personal devices, and many come with different features and price points. But my goal wasn't to build the biggest or most expensive setup. I wanted to create a light therapy kit that was practical, affordable, and multi-purpose. As you can see here, some of these light therapy kits usually revolve around red light therapy or infrared light therapy. You don't really see much other options here, which is something I want to get into with the light kit that I built because it is a little bit different. So as you can see, some of the prices range from a few $100s to thousands of dollars depending on the system. And for sessions, these are some local ones by my house. They charge $40, $30 for 10-minute sessions, 20-minute sessions. So it can be very pricey, especially if you want to make it like a regular routine. So that's one of the reasons I decided to, make my own light system. And I did it for more or less about under $100. So I'll be getting into all the different components and what they cost. So instead of purchasing a pre-built system, I decided to build my own. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how I created my light therapy kit step by step, explain the components I chose, and share a few alternative options you may want to consider if you're thinking about building your own setup at home. So let's get started. So the main pieces of my setup include this light fixture, which is a par 38 light fixture. It's very affordable. I think I paid about $20 for it a few years back. And the current light bulb that I have is a halogen incandescent light bulb. I had to buy an adapter so it can fit in a regular household socket. And that was also inexpensive. I believe it was under $5. So there's a socket so you guys can have an idea of how that looks. Just a general adapter. And here's the halogen incandescent light bulb that I really enjoy. You can also use just a regular incandescent light bulb as well. The wattage doesn't have to be too extreme. It could be anywhere from 25 to 60 watts would work. And here is the filter holder that came with the par 38 light. So to put it together, just let me provide you guys that example. So I slide that in there. Oh, let me just put this light first. And it's basically this simple. You just screw in the light bulb, you put the filter of your choice, depending on what you want to use it for. And then I had to buy this extra adapter for my light stand just in order to secure the light because unfortunately it didn't fit. This adapter also was very inexpensive. I think I paid about under $5 or around there. So I'll just tighten this to the light stand and then place this screw so to secure the light. And there you have it. So one of the things I like most about the design is that it's very practical and not too difficult. As you can see, you can start with a basic setup and purchase upgrades like barn doors in the future. You don't necessarily have to build the exact light kit that I I built. As you can see, I used adapters in that because I didn't, I figured that the components were more universal and found that they weren't. But the goal is to create a system that works for your space, your budget, and your wellness goals. And I'm really happy with the system that I built. Like I said, the most expensive thing in the light kit itself is the actual filters. But for 12 filters, I think you could get them for around $60 to $70, and that's going to be the most expensive part of your light kit. The light itself cost me around $20 a couple years ago, and the light stand I think I paid around $20 to $25 as well. And for the adapter, I think it was $3 to $5. The light bulb was under $5. The adapter was under $5. So all in all, this was a very inexpensive light kit, but you can even get even less expensive if you're on a budget. So let's go ahead and explore that option. Another very inexpensive option are these clamp lights that you can purchase at your home appliance store. They range anywhere from $10 to $20. The only thing is they do get hot, but they work. You can attach an incandescent bulb there, and I've seen people use actually use these little clips as barn doors to attach to the light, or they even use these to hold the filters in front of the light. Again, the only concern I have with that is that these lights do get hot, and the filters are plastic. So what some people do is they end up using aluminum and kind of create like a box, and that kind of assists with the heat. So this is another affordable option that people can try. And the system works. It's based on the light source. So the light source is an incandescent or halogen incandescent bulb, and the correct filters. And again, you can find a link on my website in the frequently asked questions page. I do not have an affiliate link, but let them know that the Light Lab sent you, because I am trying to get an affiliate link with them. So I definitely appreciate that. So that's how I built my own light therapy kit at home. Again, this isn't necessarily the right solution for everyone. There are plenty of great commercial systems available depending on your goals and your budget. But if you're someone who enjoys do-it-yourself projects and wants a more affordable way to create a wellness-focused light therapy setup that's more comprehensive in the sense where you're using different colors of light, then I really like this system. I would love to hear from you. Let me know what you guys think. Have you considered building your own light therapy kit, or do you prefer already made system? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out my next video where I'll share more about how I use this setup and what I've learned along the way. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. And if you want more information, please visit my website, www.thelightlab.org.